Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to sell clothes in Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. When you go and sell clothes, it means you can go and make Robux. So let's guide you through this. First of all, come onto your account, and what you need to do is go to the top and click Create. Now you need to come over to the left, and you need to click Creations. In Creations, you need to come over to the right and tap Avatar Items. Now you want to go and click on Classics. If you haven't already, you need to go and upload some assets, which are clothes. So you can go and choose to type t-shirts, shirts, or pants. In this case, I'll do t-shirts, and I'm going to upload a new one. So I'll click on Upload Asset, and then I'll click on Upload. Use this one here. Let me give this a name, add in your description, and then tap Upload like so, and wait. Now here it is. As I said before, you may already have one uploaded, which is fine. Now go and click on it. And you want to switch Sale. You now need to go and type in a price. I could go and make this 40 Robux, for example. You'll go and see you keep 70%, and you'll then see the publishing fee, which is 10 Robux. And so then what I can do is click Publish Item. I have to go and pay that, like so. It will now be on sale. So that's basically how you can sell clothes in Roblox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.